Hi, and welcome back to Car Training. Today we're going to talk about how to import contacts that you may have from a contact list into Car. So from the main menu, on the left-hand side, please navigate to Customers and Import Contacts. This will bring you to the Import Contacts page where you can download a sample CSV file. Once you've downloaded the sample CSV file, you'll see that we give you headers such as email, first name, middle name, last name, business name, address 1, address 2, city, state, zip, country, home phone, business phone, mobile phone, customer type, and tax exempt. Customer type is linked to your labor rates. We recommend putting everybody as standard. If you need help with this, please feel free to reach out. We'll be more than happy to help make this seamless transition. And we can also help you import vehicle data and prior service data into your car account. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.